What's up, guys? Look what we just found.
There's the old sawmill.
Hey, that's like from the 20th century.
Yeah. You can tell that's from the
Hey,
20th
let's go get
century.
some more back.
Huh?
Let's go get some more.
Look how fresh. This is a fresh cut off the old mill. It's like flat. Look at that. It's probably old cypress. What do you think, Garrett?
Yeah, probably. I mean, it's probably from the 70s.
Yeah.
The boys been over there handling a creosote post, and that creosote stuff's not good for you. Clean yourself off and I rinse it one more time. Ready? All right.
What'd y'all get into?
Chris Oakwood, I guess.
I don't know.
From the old, I guess it's not dry right, so it'll burn you.
The 20th century.
Yeah.
Hey,